Hello, we are engineers from Germany, deep tech early stage startup Furtherium. My name is Basil.
Hello, my name is Tess. We are building AI-powered tactical situational awareness and AI-driven airship drone.
That we are making the world safer, leaving the problems of wildfires and their devastating consequences in the past, saving lives and preserving the health of hundreds of thousands of people and billions of animals, saving huge amounts of money.
Our technologies reduce carbon dioxide emissions by more than 2.5 billion tons, serve as first responders during natural and man-made disasters of any scale, and create unbreakable barriers to drug traffic through underground tunnels, drones, and other illegal cross-border channels.
At the same time, we are creating global superiority, superhuman cognitive capabilities, and integration for the military, firefighters, security forces, and most medical personnel. Total situational awareness, synthetic vision and audition, new communications, UAV protection, swarm control of drones and robots, prevention of friendly and crossfire, protection from mines and improvised explosive devices, and preserving the health and lives of everyone on the battlefield.
Our aerial platform will protect against all types of airborne threats, day and night, in all weather conditions, using megawatt class detection and suppression systems that use directed energy rather than million-dollar missiles.
Technology in the hands of dictators and criminal groups has changed the world, but not everyone has yet understood the consequences. Early warning, air defense and missile defense systems are outdated and unable to prevent all threats. Superiority must remain in the hands of democracy.
Our technologies are affordable and have excellent market prospects for government and private contacts. The company has big ambitions for rapid growth.
We are alumni of German Accelerator and participants in the several competitions organized by the United States Army, Navy, Marine Corps, and the intelligence community. We have recently been accepted into NVIDIA Inception program.
I believe we have opportunities to collaborate with the DDR&D, Rafael, IAI, Palantir, Anduril, Shield AI, Epirus, 6-2, Aurelius, Firestorm, and Elbit Systems.
Looking for elite investor. 3 co-investors lined up.
Let's start discussion in our expert community.
Thank you.
Thank you.